My relationship has amazingly improved. You ask my friends, you ask my family members, they'll say, oh, this Meena is transformed. What I like about Antano Harini's thing is that you achieve everything at an ecological level.
Such a best thing to happen for me. And when my one after another, all the family members join this and they evolve into this, isn't it? It's the best thing to happen.
I think it's like they've given me a lifetime of joy. It's going forward, right?
What I experienced for myself, where it all just came together, it was so powerful for me. The look in their face, the love, the care, and the joy of knowing the impact of their work. For me, it really touched my heart.
In a family like I have my backbone and a partner Rujita, my son Hriday, his wife Monica. One after another, all the family members join this and they evolve into this. Isn't it? It's the best thing to happen. Like my daughter-in-law, before marriage, she was the part of a EIT and then she got married.
Now what I do know is I have the choice of changing states because I didn't have that earlier. If I was angry, I would stay angry for like 3-4 days. I know within a few minutes I'll just settle down and change my state. Now the idea of opening up, communicating, expressing myself, all of that really changed.
If you're one person, you can make a difference to few other people. But as a family, if you are allowed together, then your evolution, your growth is 1,000 times more. That is one thing. You evolve much faster and much better.
What I like about Antano Harini's thing is that you achieve everything at an ecological level. So I have seen people in the industry talking about things, they're achievers, but I see they have lost on their relationship, they've lost on their health. And I'm someone, I believe in being holistic in life. And that's stuck so deep in my subconscious that I want to achieve these things ecological, and I see in your team people achieving it, and I say when they can do it, I can also do it.
One of the major ones would be internal happiness, like not depending externally for triggers. Earlier, anything external that could affect me, could affect my states, they don't affect me too much, and that has led to so many different things in life. Stability, I would say so, in terms of states.
At the same time, still taking care of his needs, his priorities, and his family's priority. I think that has been a very big game changer.
The relationship with my mother has definitely improved a big time now, So today I'm able to understand her better, understand why she behaves in a particular way. Initially I would dwell on it, I would be so upset. Realize that after I came into the EIT education as well as my connect with Antano and Harini and the work they do with me, it has been a major shift. So there's a huge change in the equation that I share with my mother.
Parenting relationship is very nuanced sometimes, very intuitive sometimes, predictable sometimes, rule-bound sometimes, fun sometimes, okay? I think it's gotten layers that would not have been possible otherwise.
It's not a relationship where someone is at a higher pedestal as a dad and son is learning. There are many occasions where you are co-learning from each other and really marveling at the fact when both of you are seeing build your own trajectories.
Like we are 3 sisters, so both of my elder sisters are part of this ecosystem. Both of my brother-in-laws are part of this ecosystem. I am part of this ecosystem. I have multiple of my cousins who are part of this ecosystem. I have my family friends who are part of this ecosystem. And I've seen everybody's life get better and better and better with this.
It is only after a year when I looked back and I said, what is the changes that has happened? I was able to handle my own emotions. I was able to handle my relationship with my daughter and my child and my wife and my friends. And there are unsaid things have started happening. There has been significant improvement in all spheres.
Between Sajal and me, people are like saying, you love birds, like you guys are always. So after 25 years of marriage, to be in that space, it's so beautiful, isn't it? I've seen how my family has really evolved. The happiness that we have now. A happy family, I feel, is at the core of everything. And if the family is happy, if each member is able to evolve beautifully, everything else that we are looking at will come.
The quality of life has improved in all spheres. And when they say about integrated life outcomes, now I know what it means.
as this is the magic wand Antano and Harini is giving us through this EIT education, my children has already grown up. They are taking responsibility, they are flourishing and they are doing things. Now, right now, my focus is on my grandchildren. And the way they are being growing is all because my children have done this EIT. They are into this journey. So the way they talk to their children, the way they groom their children is very, very different. A gift to the family, this EIT education is the core thing. I think we all must keep doing it.
When you're talking about evolving, it is not just the home, it is also the people we work with, the ecosystem. So I can see magic unfolding. It's a superpower to create more superpowers and revolutionize the world.